Hi everyone, my name's Tristan. I have been teaching English for 20 years. I've taught beginner, I've taught advanced, I've taught all levels. Today, I will show you 5 common mistakes from beginners and how to correct them. So let's get started. There has plus noun. For example, I went to Shinjuku in Tokyo. There has many cool restaurants. This is wrong. Correct? I went to Shinjuku in Tokyo. There were many cool restaurants. Or it had many cool restaurants. So the rule is we will go there plus be verb plus noun. So it can be there is noun, there was noun, there have been noun. So if I say the city has a modern stadium, it is wrong to say there has a modern stadium. I could say there is a modern stadium in the city. Notice there plus be verb is plus noun stadium. If I'm talking about a store and I say I went to the store, there have had good reviews. This is incorrect because there's no be verb. Correct? I went to their store. There have been good reviews of the store. One more example. She works in the capital city. There is very busy. Because you only have there plus be verb plus adjective, this is wrong. Remember, you need there be verb plus noun. So correct? She works in the capital city and it is very busy. That would be correct. So remember, there has noun is wrong. There is adjective is wrong. You need there be verb plus noun. All right, let's look at the second common mistake. Can, can't, and will plus verb ing. Wrong. I will meeting you tomorrow. Wrong. I can swimming well. Wrong. I can finding my keys. The rule. Can, can't, and will are modal verbs. After modal verbs, you need a base verb. Base verbs are the original verb. For example, you can see be is a base verb. Am is not a base verb. Were is not a base verb. Have is a base verb. Having is not a base verb. Talk is a base verb. Talked is not. Talking is not. So after can, and will, you need a base verb. So once again, I can talking to you later. This is wrong because there's no base verb. Correct? I can talk to you later. Incorrect? We will having dinner tonight. Correct? We will have dinner together tonight. Wrong. I can't swimming well. I need a base verb. I can't swim well. So remember, after can, can't, and will, you need a base verb. Let's look at number 3, common mistake. Not using do, does, did, will in questions. When you have what, who, when, why, where, how, subject plus verb. So if I say what you do tomorrow, this is incorrect because I have what, subject you, do verb. So I need will. What will you do tomorrow? The pronunciation will probably be what'll you do tomorrow? Here, why you like spicy food. This is not a question. I need to have a word between you and why. So, why do you like spicy food? Pronunciation, why do you like spicy food? Next, who you talked to yesterday. I have who, Then I have you talk. That is subject verb. Once again, I need maybe past tense here. Who did you talk to yesterday? So the pronunciation, who'd you talk to yesterday? So remember, if you have a question word and then subject verb, you need do, did, does, will between it. So can you correct the sentences here? Feel free to pause your screen. Okay, so correct. Last week, what did you learn in class? Because you have what, then you verb. We need something between it. How long do you usually work out at the gym? Where does your brother live? Where do you want to work? Next month, what class will you take? All right, so let's go to mistake 4. When people say, I know verb, this is a mistake. Many beginners use subject no verb. They should use do not or don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, will not, won't, or cannot, can't. That's the pronunciation. So if I say, I no study last night, I have subject, no verb. This is wrong. Correct? I didn't study last night. Or, I no come to class tomorrow. I have subject, no plus verb. This is incorrect. Correct? I won't come to class tomorrow. 2 more. My brother no live in the city. I have my brother, subject. I have the verb live. I will not put no there. My brother doesn't live in the city. So pause your screen and try to correct these sentences. Okay, so the answer, I didn't finish my homework last night. I don't or can't understand this question. I won't drive to work tomorrow. Final mistake. I go back, or come, location. You need go back, come to location or event. An example, wrong. I will go back my country in March. Your country is the location. So, I will go back to my country in March. Will you go concert tonight? Correct? Will you go to the concert tonight? Finally, I went library after class. So went is past of go. I went to the library after class. Now a little note, you do not need to before these words. They break the rule. So you can say, I will go here. That's okay. Or I will go home. That's okay. But for the other words and other locations, you go back to. You come to location. You went to location. Okay, so we have looked at 5 beginner mistakes. Now we will do a quick test. Did you learn how to fix the mistakes? So look at this conversation and correct 10 mistakes. Good luck. Pause your screen. So here are the correct answers. So Ling, where will you go after work today? Actually, I don't have plans. Maybe I will go to the gym. Which gym will you go to? It's called Body Shape. It is really popular because there is modern equipment and the staff is very helpful. When did you start going there? About 3 months ago. I can bring a guest. Do you want to come with me? Actually, I'd love to. I'll go home quickly after work and grab my clothes. Okay, so this is a lesson about common beginner mistakes. And remember, mistakes are a good thing, but continue to work hard and see your English improve. Thank you all and have a great day.